Look at the next problem. The reaction of ammonia and fluoride gas in the presence of copper catalyst yields nitrogen fluoride and ammonium fluoride. Write a chemical equation for the reaction. How many milliliters of ammonia and fluoride gas are required to make 50 milliliters of nitrogen fluoride if 65% yield is obtained? Assume that all gases are measured under the same conditions of temperature and pressure. So the first thing we need to do is balance our chemical equation. We have ammonia plus fluorine gas going to form nitrogen fluoride plus ammonium fluoride. So let's balance our chemical reaction. Write out T. We have our reactants and we have our products. Nitrogen is equal to 1. Over here, nitrogen on the product side, nitrogen is equal to 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here to balance those off. Hydrogen is equal to 6. Hydrogen over here is equal to 4. On the product side, hydrogen is equal to 4. Greatest common denominator between these two is 24. So I can multiply 6 times 4 would give me 24 hydrogens. So no, I already have 3 on this side. So I want to cross this out and give me an 8. 8 times 3 would give me 24 hydrogens. And over here, I would need to have 6 times 4 would give me 24 hydrogens. So that would make the hydrogens balance on both sides. Okay, look at my nitrogens. My nitrogens, I have 8 nitrogens over here. So I only have 6. So I'll put a 2 here. That gives me 2 nitrogens. So this gives me a total of 8 nitrogens. 8 nitrogens on both sides of the equation. Now let's look at my fluorine. On the product, on the reactant side, I have 2 fluorine. On the product side, I have 2 times 3 is 6 plus 6 equals a total of 12. So I need to put a 6 on the reactant side, which gives me 12. So this here have a total of 12 hydrogens on the 12 fluorines on the reactant side, and fluorine over here is equal to 12 fluorines. So the equation would be 8 NH3 plus 6 F2 goes to 2 NF3 plus 6 NH4F. Alright, I'm going to reduce this to the smallest coefficient that I have, which I'll divide everything by 2, by 2, by 2. So this coefficient becomes 4, this coefficient becomes 3, this coefficient becomes 1, this coefficient becomes 3. With that said, my new balance equation should look like this. I will have 4 NH3 plus 3F2 goes to form NF3 plus 3NH4F. So that's our part A of the equation.